Let me record. Wow, hello. Good evening, Antu. Can you hear teacher? Can you hear teacher? Yes, wow. So hello, Antu. Good evening and welcome again to our class. So how are you today, Antu? How are you? Are you happy? Are you... Yes, wow. Are you okay now? You are not sick now?
No.
No, wow, that's good to know. And are you ready for our lesson for today? Are you ready? Ready? Are you ready, Antu? Are you ready?
Yay.
Yes. Okay, so let's continue our lesson for today. So let's look at this picture. Okay, so can you look at this picture? So what do you call the name of the place? What is, what, what is this place?
Đây là nơi nào vậy?
This, this is, we call it as camp. Yes, campsite. We call this place as
Campsite.
very good. Wow. So this is a campsite. So because we can see here, there's a tent, there's trees, and there are camping things. And let's look at this children. What what are the children doing? What are the children doing?
Các em nhỏ đang làm gì vậy?
The children are, what are they doing? They are playing. The children are playing ball. Let's see. They are
We are
playing
in
ball.
ball.
Very good. So these children are playing ball. How about this girl? What what is the girl doing? Do you know what is the girl doing?
Cô gái đang làm gì vậy?
The girl,
Bully.
she is riding a bike.
Cô ấy đang đạp xe.
So the yes. So the girl, she is riding, let's see. She is okay, let's say she is riding
Why baby it's
a
so big?
bike. A bike. Yes, very good. So this girl is riding a bike. How about, what do you know? What is the color of the clothes of this child? What is the color?
It's
What
hard.
its color?
It's hard.
So what is the color of the shirt of the boy?
Áo của cậu bé màu gì?
This one. What color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow and this one, green.
So green.
Very good. So now let's say he is wearing. Oh, where are you going? You are going outside? Okay, so now let us read the sentence. He is, let's say, he is w- wearing yellow and green clothes. So this boy is wearing yellow and green clothes. So very good, Anju. So now let's go to this boy. What color is the shirt of this boy?
Áo của cậu
Vải.
bé màu gì?
What color? This one.
Blue.
Blue. Wow, very good. So now let's say he is wearing a blue shirt. Let's say blue shirt.
Blue shirt.
Very good. Wow, you are doing a great job. So next, let's look at this girl. What color is the cloth of the girl? What color?
Áo của
Oh,
cô bé
wow.
màu gì?
What color? This one.
Blue.
Blue. Very good. So now let's say blue shirt.
Blue shirt.
Shirt. Yes. Wow, very good. So now let's take a look at the picture. What is the weather in the picture? What is the
Thời
weather?
tiết trong bức ảnh như thế nào?
Is it sunny, rainy, or cloud?
Free.
Trời nắng, mưa hay nhiều mây?
Is it sunny, rainy, or
Nhiều mấy.
is it sunny, rainy, or cloudy? Is there a sun or is it sunny? So let's take a look at the picture. So let's say it is a sunny weather.
Winter.
Sunny weather.
Some winter.
Weather, very good. So now let's take a look at the colors of the picture. So what is the color of this tent? What is the color? What is the color of the tent?
Chiếc lều có màu gì?
What is
Red.
red? Very good. Red and this one.
But a yellow.
Very good. Wow, good job. So now let's say red and yellow tent.
Red, yellow, ten.
Good job. Next, what what is the color of the trees? What is the color of the trees?
Những cây này có màu gì?
What
The
is the color? This one. The
tree.
gr yes, trees. What
Green.
green? Very good. So let's see. Trees are green.
Green. There. Green.
Very good. How about this chair? What is the color of the chair?
Chiếc ghế có màu gì?
What is the color?
Blue.
Blue. Very good. So now let's say blue chair.
Blue chair.
Very good. So next, what is the color of the ball? What is the color of the ball?
Quả bóng có màu gì?
Red.
This one. What? This ball.
Red.
Is it red or orange?
Red. Orange.
Orange. Very good. So now let's say orange ball.
Orange bar.
Very good. So now, let's go with our another question. Do you know where is the guitar in the picture?
Bạn có biết đàn guitar ở đâu không?
Where is the...
No.
No? How about this one? Is this a guitar? Yes or no? This one. This is a guitar. Yes, this is. This is the guitar.
It is the ginger.
Very good. Now,
Ai một ổ hấp ba lá.
next. So where are the trees?
Cây cối ở
Không
đâu?
Where are the trees?
Em với ổ vàng.
Is this the tree? Is this a tree? Yes or no?
Đây có phải là một cái cây không?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So let's say this is the tree. Let's say this is, let's say this is the tree.
The tree.
Very good. So next, where is the fire? Do you know where is
Đám
the
cháy ở
fire?
đâu?
Where is the fire?
Đám cháy ở đâu?
Where is it? How about this one? Is this the fire? Yes or no?
Đây có phải là đám cháy không?
Is this the...
Yes.
Yes, very good. So now let's say this is the fire. Let's say this is
There is
the fire.
a fire.
Very good. So good job in this activity and two. So we are already done with this activity. So now let's go with our next page. Okay. So let's learn about the phonic letter B. So what letter is this, Anju?
Đã.
What letter is this?
Đây là chữ cái gì?
What letter?
Bird.
B, very good. B, letter B. So this is the big letter B.
B.
Yes, and small letter B. So big letter B and small letter B. So next, so let us learn more about the sound of letter or phonic B. So let's go with our first picture. So what's in the picture?
The
Trong
picture.
bức ảnh có gì vậy? Trong bức ảnh có gì vậy?
What is this? This is a
Bear.
very good. One more time. Let's say B.
B.
B. Good job. Next, let's go with our next picture. What is this? What is this? This is a...
Đây là cái gì vậy?
What is this?
What?
This is a flower. Let's say flower.
Flower.
Very good. So, does flower starts with letter B? Yes or no?
Từ flower có bắt đầu bằng chữ cái B không? Có hay
Yeah.
không?
Is it a yes? Is it a no?
Yeah.
No. So it starts with letter
Nó
F.
bắt đầu bằng chữ F.
So no, it doesn't start with letter B. It's flower. Fa. And letter B sounds like ba ba. So that is our letter B. So next, let's go with our third picture. What is this? This
Three.
is
Đây là cái gì?
this is a
Bell.
bell. Very good. So now let's say the word bell.
Bell.
Very good. So does bell starts with letter B? Yes or
Chữ cái
no?
đầu tiên của từ bell có phải là chữ cái B không?
Yes.
No.
Are you sure? What letter is this?
Mm,
Letter? This is letter B. So yes.
B.
B. So yes, it starts with letter B. Bell. So next, let's
Yeah.
yes. So now let's go with our next picture. What is this?
Nhưng mà ăn nhiều đi mà tiền người thì
What
mình
what is this?
Đây là cái gì?
This is a
đấy.
we call it we call it as bone. Let's say b b b
Nhiều
bone.
nhiều
Đếm ăn.
Okay, let's say the word. Let's say after you eat. Say ba bone.
Bubble.
Very good. Good job. So this is a bone. So does it start with letter B? Yes or no? Yeah. It is?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So it starts with letter B. Good job, Ansu. So it is ba ba bone. Very good. So next one. So let's look at our next picture. What is this?
Vừa học mà.
This is a violin.
Violin. Để chị mới uống thôi.
Very good. One more time. Let's say violin.
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 Good job. Very good. You got it right. So this is a violin. Does it starts with letter B? This one? Yes or no?
No.
No, very good. Because it starts with this letter. This is letter V. V.
Vi.
Yes, very good. V as in victory. So it is not B. B. So very good. So next, let's go with our last picture. What is this? What animal is this? This is a bat.
Bat.
Very good. So does bat starts with letter B? Yes or no?
No.
Are you sure? Look, bat. It starts with letter. What letter?
Bat.
Yeah, very good. So, yes, so it starts with letter B. So, good try. So, next, let us go with our last activity. So, for this one, Antu, can you draw or write about your dream of spring inside the box? So you can add flowers, rainbows, or anything that makes you happy in spring. So let's go with this one.
Hãy vẽ hoặc viết về giấc mơ mùa xuân của bạn vào bên trong chiếc hộp. Bạn có thể thêm hoa, cầu vồng hoặc bất cứ thứ gì khiến bạn vui vẻ vào mùa xuân.
Okay, can you have your pen? So let's draw. Let's draw something like flowers that we can see in the spring. So this one. Ching. This is the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green.
Một người lớn mãi xung quanh châu biển đây tất cả đều châu biển
Blue.
nên người ta bảo học tôi nói người ta
Can you use your pen, Antu? Can you use your pen?
nên lừa đảo những bạn
Có thể dùng bút không?
lừa đảo
Bạn có thể dùng bút không?
Can you use your pen?
Như cái lông
No.
rồi, đều đều rồi. Và đâu nhẹ rồi.
Okay, so if you cannot use your pen, so very good for this lesson 7 and 2. So we are already done with our lesson 7. So now let us go with our new lesson, which is summer. So we will talk about summer. So last time we talked about spring, but now we will talk about summer. So now let's watch a video about summer.
Công nghiệp lắm. Như cả là mong gọi. Bạn để mình cái sợi ảnh sẵn cửa đâu đi quẹo rồi.
It's summer.
In the summer, what do you like to do? In the
The
summer,
summer.
in the summer, I like to swim. Ooh, I like to bike.
Bike.
Yeah, I like to surf.
Surf.
I like to hike. Yeah.
Hike. Dun, 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 dun.
What do you
Like to do
in
in
the
the
summer?
summer.
In the summer, what do you like to do? In the summer, in the summer, I like to read.
I like to read. Okay, so let's stop the video here. So now we will talk about our new lesson, which is summer. So as you can see in the video, so there are a lot of things that we can do in the summer.
Rồi.
Yeah. So do you like to swim, Antu? Do you like to swim?
Vui.
Do you like to swim?
Bạn có thích bơi không?
Do you like to swim?
No.
No.
No. Bơi no. No.
Why no?
Tại sao
No.
không? Tại sao không?
Why not? Why don't you like swimming?
Thì-
What?
No.
No swimming?
Hỏi là có thích bơi không? Bỗng bảo no. No là không.
Lỗi.
No swimming? You don't like swimming?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so that is the things that we can do in the summer. Because in summer, so the weather is very, very hot. So that is why we or most of the people wants to swim, or they do other things, they ride a bike, they hike, and they do a lot of things. So now we will talk about those things in this lesson. So let's go with our first picture. So what is this picture, Antu? We call this as summer. Let's say summer.
Numbers.
One more time. Summer.
No, 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 no,
Let's say summer.
no, 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 no.
Let's say summer.
Summer.
Very good. So this is summer. As you can see, what is this object? Look at the picture, Antu. This is the sun.
The sun.
Very good. We can see the sun a lot in summer season because it is very hot. So next, let's go with this next picture. So what do we call this one? This is the
Nói rồi thì nó phải đi vệ sinh trong lúc anh học.
sunshine.
Bông ba bông muốn đi vệ sinh.
Let's say sunshine. Sunshine.
Đi vệ sinh.
Yes, so this is the sunshine. So next, let's go with our next picture. So this one is the rain. Rain. Let's say rain. Rain.
Chờ.
Okay, let's say rain. This is the rain.
It's a wind.
Rain. Very good. Very good, Antu. So next, what do you call this in the picture? These are flowers.
Flower.
Very good. Good job. What color is the flowers? What color? What color?
Những bông hoa này có màu gì?
Pink.
Pink. Very good. They are pink. Good job. Good job. You are so smart. So next, let's look at this picture. So we call this place as beach.
Bee.
Very good. So next, let's go with our next picture. This is, what do we call this one? This is a ball.
Ball.
Very good. This is a ball. What color is the ball? What color? It's
Green.
called, yes.
Quả bóng này màu gì?
What color is the
Blue.
blue?
Blue này, yellow này, red.
Wow, very good. Blue, yellow, and red. Good job, Anju. So next, let's go with our next picture. What do we call these clothes that we wear in the summer? We call it as swimsuit.
Swing.
Very good. One more time. Let's say suit.
Suit.
Suit. Yes, swim.
Suit.
Swimsuit. Let's say it another time. Swim.
Swing.
Suit.
Swing. Suit.
Very good. Wow, good job. You got it right. So these are swimsuits. So next, what do we call this place? This is the garden. Let's say garden.
Garden.
Okay, one more time. Garden.
Garden.
Very good. So now let's read all the words all together. So let's say summer. Let's say summer.
Summer.
Sunshine. Sunshine. Let's say sun. Sun.
For
Shine.
side. For side.
Sun. Shine.
Shine.
Very good. Sunshine.
Sunshine.
Very good. Next, rain.
A window.
Very good. Next is flowers.
A flower.
Very good. Next is swimsuit.
A whip.
Swim. Let's say swim.
Sweet.
Suit.
Fruit.
Swimsuit. Okay. Next, beach. Beach.
And
Ball.
a bar.
Garden.
Garden.
Okay, very good, Antu. So we will talk about this words in our next class. Okay, so we will end our class here. So thank you very much, Antu. So you did a great job in answering the question. So now you can go and give your phone to your brother. Okay, so see you again soon.
Bye
Bye
bye bye.
bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yes, give your phone to your brother. Bye bye, Ansu. See you again soon.
Xong rồi. Hello, teacher.
Hello, Dankwa. Wow, good evening.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today, Dankwa? Are you good?
Yes, I am happy.
Yes. Wow, what did you do today? What are the things that you do today? Let me.
Hôm nay bạn làm những việc gì?
What are the things?
This me is is
Did you play? Did you play?
is watching TV.
Oh, wow, that's very good. That's why you are happy. So, are you ready for our new lesson for today?
The link is not for me.
Yes, very good. So, we will talk about clean is not for me. But first, let us watch a warm up video. So, about our lesson for today. So, let me just share the. Okay. Okay, so let us finish the video there. So now, What did you see? Or what are the things? What are the things that you saw in the video?
Bạn đã nhìn thấy những gì trong video đó?
What did you see?
Elephant.
Elephant, yes, very good. Or the elephants, or are the elephants clean or dirty?
Dirty.
Hay bẩn?
Very good. So the elephants are dirty. So very good, Dangwa. So that is why our lesson for today is all about clean is not
Not
for yes, not for me. Because take a look at this picture. The girl in the picture. Is the girl clean or dirty?
clean. Good.
Is the girl clean or dirty?
Good is not for me.
Yes, the girl is.
Clean is not for me.
Yes, so the clean is not for me. So the girl is not clean. So it is or she is dirty. So now let's have more of the things about our lesson for today. So let's go with our next page. Okay, so let's take a look at our first picture. So we call this one. We call these things as dirt.
Good.
Very good. So this is dirt. How about this one? What are these? We call it as.
Grass.
Very good. One more time, let's say grass.
Grass.
Perfect, perfect job. So this is grass. And what is this, Dangwa? This one. What do we call this one?
This.
Dirt. Very good. Let's say dirt.
This.
Perfect, perfect job. So next. So this one, do you know what is this? Yes or no?
Yes.
What is this?
Is
We call it as
only
this one.
tell.
We call it as hay.
Hey.
Okay, very good. So we can see this one in the farm. We can see this hay, or we can see hays at the farm. Yes. So next, what do we call this one?
Grass.
Red. It is color red. Yes. And what do we call this one? We call it as
Ketchup.
ketchup. One more time. Let's say ketchup.
Ketchup.
Very good. So this is a ketchup. So it is what we use when dipping. So a ketchup is a kind of a sauce. So we use it to dip French fries. Do you know French fries?
Ketchup.
Yes. Do you know French fries?
Yes.
Yes. So French fries. So we usually dip it in a ketchup. Okay, so for it to be more delicious. So next. Okay, so do you know what do we call this one? This liquid?
Orange.
Very good. So this one is an oil. Let's say oil.
Orange.
Very good. So next, what do we call this material?
No.
These are
Beans.
paint. Very good. One more time. Let's say paint.
Beans.
Very good. Good job. So this is what we will learn about for today's lesson. So are you ready to learn more about this? Yes. Okay, let's go with our next page. Okay. So now let's read the sentence.
Moose is my source.
Very good. So now let's read this word once again. Let's say mud.
Man.
Very good. Shoes.
Juice.
Perfect. So let's take a look with the picture. What happened or what happens in the girl's shoes? What
This.
happened
This.
in the
This.
it is?
This.
Yes, it dip in the mud. So it is what happened?
Chuyện gì đã xảy ra với đôi giày của cô?
Moose is this. So my
Yes, very good. It got dipped in the mud. Is it
Nó bẩn
dirty?
hay sạch?
Is it dirty or clean?
is no
It's not. The shoes? The shoes is
filthy.
dirty. Very good. So the shoes is dirty because there is a lot of mud or dirt. That's what we call as dirt. This one. These are dirt. So now we have here a question. So can you read the question, Dangwa? Let's let
Whether where to lie is
uh,
something. No.
ye-
Mm,
yes, very good. The weather is
Sun.
sunny. Very good. The weather is sunny day. A sunny day. Very good. Good job. So next, let's go with our next question. So where is the girl?
He did feed myself is busy.
Yes, where is the girl?
Cô ấy ở đâu?
She is in
He is
is
in uh,
is
forest.
forest. Wow, very good. So she is in the forest. So next, what will she do next? What do you think she will do next?
Cô ấy sẽ làm gì tiếp theo?
What will she do next?
Is what the salt is watching.
Very good. So she will wash. She will wash this one. She will what if we are
So we wash your hands.
very good. She will wash her hands. So let me just type that one. And she will wash her hands. So very good, Dankwa. So as we can see, the girl is dirty. So she is in a dirt. That is why when she comes home, so she needs to wash her hands. She also needs to clean her what what sh- what does she needs to clean? She needs to clean her
Is
feet and shoe.
a shoe.
Very good. So she needs to clean her feet and shoes. So good job. So next, let's go with our next one. Can you read our next sentence?
That shoes is for myself.
Very good. So now let's read these words again. Let's say ketchup.
That
Perfect. Shirt.
shoes.
Perfect job. So now let's take a look in the picture. What is in the clothes of the girl? What is this red thing? What what are these?
Ketchup.
Very good. These are ketchups. And let's have here our or what does the girl eats.
Girl is hot dogs.
Very good. So the girl is eating a hot dog. Very good. So now let's have our first question here. So what is she doing?
She eating a hot dog.
Very good. So the girl is eating a hot dog. So next, how does she eat? Is it
She
is it clean? Does she eat clean, messy, or dirty?
Messy.
Very good. So the girl, she eats messy. Very good. Good job, Dangwa. So next, let's go with our next sentence.
Oils, oils, oils is for my fingers.
Very good. So now let's read this word again. Let's say oil.
Oil,
Perfect. One more time. Can you say that word again?
oil.
Perfect. Good job. So this is oil. So now let's take a look at the picture. What is she doing? What
Why?
is she is?
She is fishing oil in her pie.
Very good. So the girl is fixing her bike. So next, do you have a bike? Do you have a bike, Dangwa? Yes or no?
Mm, yes,
Yes. So have you ever fixed your bike? Have you ever fixed your bike?
Bạn đã bao giờ tự sửa xe đạp của mình chưa?
yes,
Yes. How was it? Is it difficult to fix your bike?
yes. Pie is garage, garage.
Oh, oh, okay. I see. So is it difficult to fix your bike
Việc sửa xe đạp có khó không?
or is it easy?
Yes,
Yes. Yes, it is
yes.
difficult.
If yes,
Yes. So next, do you know why is the oil there? Do you know why?
Bạn có biết tại sao lại có dầu ở đó không?
yes, yes.
Yes.
It is
Yeah.
because oil uh is make to pie.
The bike run.
Right.
Yes, very good. So yes, because the oil, it makes the bike run smoothly. That is why oil is important when we have a bike. So very good. Good idea, Dangwa. So next, let's read this one.
They use oils to make the waste run fast and smoothly.
Very good. So now let's read this word again. Let's say use.
Use
Smoothly.
smoothly.
Perfect. Very good. So now let's go with our next page. Let's read this one.
Grass is fast my pants.
Very good. So grass is for my pants. So now let's take a look at the picture, Dangwa. What is this? What kind of ball is this in the girl's hands? What
Oh,
this
oh,
is a
truly.
this is a
Football.
yes. Do you play football?
No,
Ah no. What
I
what
I like playing soccer.
Oh, soccer. So you play soccer. Is that what is the color of the soccer ball?
Soccer ball is white
White
and
and
black.
Very good. It is color white and black. Very good. So now let's have our question here. What is the girl playing?
She playing football.
Very good. She is playing football. Next, is she playing with her friends? Yes or no?
Yeah, and no,
No, she is.
no,
Al-
she alone.
yes, she is alone. She is the only one playing in the picture. So let's take a look at her clothes. Is it clean or is it dirty?
Close
Is it is it clean or dirty?
clean.
Hmm? Are you sure?
No,
No, it is?
dirty.
Yes, it is dirty because
Because
what did she do? Because
because
she
is playing player for dirty football.
yeah, very good. So her clothes are dirty because she played football and it is outside. So there is a lot of grass in her pants. So next, let's go with our next page. Okay, let's read this sentence.
Paint is for my house.
Very good. So paint is for my hat. So now let's take a look at the picture. What is this in her hat? What do
Hat
we what do we call this
hat
in her?
is color make color yellow.
Very good. What do we call the color yellow? It
Pen.
paint. Very good. So that is paint. So now let's answer some question here. So where is she?
She is pen yellow is painting yellow into
Is it her house? Yes or no?
yes.
Yes. So she is. What is she doing?
She is painting yellow in her house.
Very good. So now, so that is the answer to our next question. So what is she doing? So she is painting
Yellow
yellow.
into her house.
Very good. So now where is the girl? She is.
She is inside her house.
Yeah, so she is inside her house. And what color is she painting?
Mm,
Color?
color is yellow.
Yes, very good. So the color is yellow. So good job, Tangwa. So next, let's go with our next page. So let's read this one.
This is for my socks.
Very good. So let's say once again, dirt.
Look,
Perfect. So now let's take a look at the girl's sock. What is it inside her socks?
and then
This is
sock.
what is inside her sock?
This. This.
Dirt. Very very good. So dirt. So next, let's have our question. So why there is dirt in her socks? Why do you think that there is dirt in her socks?
Tại sao lại có bụi bẩn trong tất của cô ấy?
Because girl is playing those.
Yes, because she is
Playing
playing.
sock. This sock.
Yes, very good. So because she is playing in the dirt, that is why. So it comes inside her socks. So next, What should she do now?
Mm,
What should she do now?
she is
She
Cô ấy nên làm gì bây giờ?
she is wash your hair.
Yeah, she needs to wash her hands. How about her socks? Does she needs to wash her socks?
Yes.
Yes, so she needs to wash her
Mm,
socks.
and foot.
Foot, very good. Or feet, because we have 2 feet. So her, as we can see in the picture, her feet are, is it dirty or clean?
Foot is soft.
Yes, is her foot dirty or clean? It is dirty.
Dirty.
Yeah, so when we say dirty dangwa, so it is not clean. Okay, so next, let's go with our next page. Okay, let's just boom. Okay, let's read this one.
This is for my hair.
Very good. So now let's take a look at her hair. What is in her hair?
Yellow.
Yes, what is it?
Hey.
What is, yes, it is a
This
hay.
this is a hair.
Very good. So now let's answer the question. So where is she?
She is in. She is in. It is the hair. Hair is hair.
In the hay, very good. But mostly, Dankwa, we can see hay, which
Play
is on the
farm.
farm. So we can see hay. So this one in the farm. So next, what can she do there? What
Uh,
can she what can she do there in the farm?
Cô ấy có thể làm gì ở đó?
is playing playing hair.
Play in the hay. Very good. So she can play in the hay. Good job. So next, let's go with our next slide. So let's read this sentence.
Clean is not for me.
Very good. So clean is not for me. So this is our lesson. So let's take a look at the picture. Who is this woman?
Woman is clean.
Yes, the woman is clean. Who is she? Is
She is
is she the girl's mother? Yes or no?
yes.
Yes, so she is who?
She the grandmother.
Very good. She is the girl's mother. So now let's have our question here. Do you think the mother is angry and why?
Bạn có nghĩ người mẹ đang tức giận không? Tại
Yes.
sao?
Yes.
Yes. And
Because
why?
big why is because uh clean is playing is not wash your hand.
Yes, so the girl does not
Mm,
wash her hands. The girl is not.
not wash is not clean.
Yes, perfect job. So yes, because the girl does not wash her hand and the girl is not clean. So very good. So now, let us review all of the words that we have learned today. So let's take a look at our first picture. So what is this, Tangwa?
This
Dirt. One more time, let's say dirt.
this
Very good. How about this one? What are these?
Is Chinese.
These are
Grass.
Yes, very good. These are grass. How about our third picture?
Hey,
Hey, perfect job. Next, what is this?
is
This is
ketchup. Ketchup.
ketchup. Wow, very good. Next, what do we call this one? This thing?
Oil. Oil.
Oil. One more time. Let's say oil.
Oil.
Very good. Next. Next one is
Painting.
paint. Very good. Wow. So good job. So next, let's go with our last one. Okay, so we have here the word. So good job in having all of these words. So let's now go with our next page. Okay, let's take a look with our picture. What is this, Dangwa?
Pizza make is ketchup.
Ketchup. Very good. So this is a ketchup. And now let's read the sentence. Eating.
Pizza and ketchup is my favorite.
Very good. So eating pizza and ketchup is my favorite. So good job. Okay, so Dankwa, so we will end our lesson here. So you did a great job in today's lesson. Wow, so you had a great job in expressing your answers. So very good. So good job. So let's see each other again in our next class and we will continue this in our next class. Okay, and Dankwa?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Dankwa, and bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher. See you again.
Thank you
It's
so much.